All right, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the dashboard template screen. All right, here in the dashboard template, you're going to have options to select Tableau, Power BI, Spotfire, or Click Sense dashboards. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tableau one. So go ahead and do Tableau Desktop Standard Dashboards. Select the version, which will probably be different by the time you watch this. And then there's also geographic data, which you may need within the dashboard. So go ahead and click on it. It should download in your download folder as well. And then go ahead and open it. Now, the good thing about this is once you do this the first time, you then will go ahead and save this Tableau workbook on your computer. Then that will be your template ongoing. So you're not going to have to download this every time. You just do it the first time and then go ahead and customize it. And then you're just going to use this same dashboard every time you create a new survey project. Okay, so this is just the step that you're gonna have to do first, and then after that it's smooth sailing. All right, so it's gonna open up Tableau and it's gonna open up the dashboard for you. Now this is some dummy data that I have in here. Of course, this is not your data, so we have to point it to your data file. And this is gonna be a similar process for all of the other data visualization tools. All you're gonna have to do is point it to the new file. So in Tableau, we just go to data, we find the export VI data, edit data, and that's the one export that we created. Then we go ahead and right click, edit connection, and go ahead and find that file. All right. Here I'm going to go ahead and search for my file. Mine is just in my download folder, so it's showing all of my different downloads I have here. And it's going to be this one here. I'm just going to grab it and drop it on top, and that's going to replace the old data. If you get an error for your geographic data CSV file, then you download it in the dashboard template, and then you go ahead and right click, edit, and change it here as well. All right, go ahead and go back to your dashboard now. All right, it's probably gonna blink out like this. Go ahead and change your survey ID to your new survey. And this is used for when you have multiple surveys in one file. You can go ahead and select one or many surveys, and all your questions will show up here. Now you see we have all of our different questions that we showed. Now we just go ahead and click on it, and the chart will render. Now, in order to get what our filters are, which are right here, we have to connect to our filter list. So we do the same thing, edit data source, and we just point it to our filter list, which is in my downloads folder. So I know exactly where it's at. There, I just update that. You see I have my filter list here. I go to my dashboard, and it's going to show what the filter names are right here. All right, so that's literally all you got to do. You just got to change your connections, point it to the new file for your filter list and your export viz data. And now you have a dashboard without having to do anything. Now from here, all you do is change the coloring, change the logo, and you're finished. All right, well, that is it for the overview. Next step is to get your data loaded in the software and follow the step-by-step directions based off of your specific survey tool. All right, so go ahead and go to the next step and get started. Nice talking to you.